creamiest and most velvety mushroom stew. Vegan, hearty, and gluten-free. These are oyster mushrooms using North Spore spawn. Slice up some onions. Break up most of your oyster mushrooms, set some aside for garnish later. Season your one big pot with nutritionally salt and pepper and a lot of olive oil. Added some broccolis and zucchinis as well, make it extra velvety with Miyoko's butter. Throw in oat casarecce pasta. We'll make it extra creamy by stewing it in cashew milk. Oh, so lavish and extravagant. When it comes to a boil, turn the heat down to low to simmer. Do affirmations as you wait, stirring the pot with love every once in a while. And the rest of the mushrooms, we give it a good sear. Level up the flavor with the finest truffle oil. And your cast iron seared mushrooms go on top. A little balsamic truffle glaze, more truffle oil, sesame seeds, and voila! Enjoy this hearty, velvety mushroom stew. Nourishment and happiness for everybody.